As the tropics continue to heat up this hurricane season, is your home protected if damaging weather heads our way? 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell takes us to a town hall meeting held tonight where neighbors voiced their frustration with their home insurance market and asked an expert if it's too late to change your insurance policy once rough weather starts forming.
From home insurance,
because the math does not make sense,
to auto.
My car insurance, I'm paying $9,000 a year for 2 cars.
Neighbors in St. Pete came out to a town hall with Representatives Michelle Rayner and Hillary Cassell Thursday night. Insurance market.
The problem is people need relief. That's what we're looking for.
With the potential for a tropical system heading our way next week,
prepare now.
Insurance expert Mark Friedlander says if you need to update your home insurance policy to make sure you're adequately protected, you'll probably want to do that right now.
Typically, until the National Hurricane Center issues storm watches or warnings, you can make changes to your existing policies.
And that's for home insurance. When it comes to flood insurance, it's trickier. Friedlander says it can take longer, so last-minute changes before a storm could leave you at risk.
If you don't have flood insurance today, it's going to be too late for any storm that hits next week. You need to plan in advance for flood insurance, typically 30 days.
And for people who want to ride things out with low or no insurance coverage ahead of storms this hurricane season, Friedlander says you're taking a risk if your home takes on major damage.
FEMA will step in. They will help you with emergency funds and perhaps emergency housing. But FEMA is not an insurance policy. Without adequate insurance, you're taking a chance. You need to be ready for the worst so that you could recover and you're not devastated by any type of storm loss.
In St. Pete, Miranda Parnell, 10 Tampa Bay.
Friedlander says you may also want to check on your auto insurance policies to make sure you have storm loss coverage on your vehicle, to make sure you're set in the event of flooding, trees falling on your vehicle, or other issues that can blow in with these types of storms.